Our Prophet, and this is the first hadith that we're taught as Muslims when we study in the hadith chain tradition. This was the first hadith that I heard from my teacher with a chain all the way back to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And it is Ar-Rahimun, Yarhamuhum Ar-Rahman, Irham man fil ard, Yarhamkum man fis sama. Those who show mercy, the merciful will show mercy to them. Have mercy on all of those. Man is called sighat al-umum in Arabic. It means generally. Have mercy to everyone, and God will have mercy to you. Sometimes mercy is taking the sword out of the hand of a madman. So it's not always just accepting what people are doing, but mercy is what should motivate us. Compassion for other people. And this is why this is a core value. Our Prophet, وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ إِلَّا رَحْمَةً لِلْعَالَمِينَ. We only sent you as a mercy to the worlds. So this is at the essence, and this is why it was mentioned earlier, your Mufti mentioned today, this is a core understanding of our tradition. Ibn Qayyim al-Jawziyya said the entire sacred law is merciful. So if it goes from mercy to cruelty, it's not from the sacred law. The entire thing is wisdom. If it goes from wisdom to folly, it's not the sacred law. The entire thing is common benefit, common weal, maslaha. So if it goes from benefit to harm, it's not from the sacred law. And finally, it's all wisdom. So and justice. And so if it goes from justice to tyranny or oppression, it's not from Islam.